Okay, so we had the engine shop come by. Well, not the entire shop, but went ahead and got helicoils put in. What's that?
That would have been impressive if the whole shop came back.
Yeah. Helicoils put in, drilled out to fix the engine shop's mess up of ruining the threads. This one here, this one here.
He didn't do two on that side because the threads were still fine.
Yeah.
Because they never did anything with those. There was no point in putting helicoils in good
Oh,
threads.
that's right, yeah, because it was just 2 bolts. There's another helicoil in here.
Yeah, that one was already in there. I don't know if they put that one in when they had it or if it was in there when they got it. Because we never pulled those mounts off, so we wouldn't have seen it.
I think they may have just done that in the shop. I think what they said was a bolt got sheared off.
Okay.
Yeah, so they went ahead and did that. So, next step is...
Put it in.
Giggity.
Oh, God. What was that?
I went the wrong way.
The beer, huh?
No, that was the lefty, tighty, righty, loosey.
Colorblind people.
Yeah. Stupid color blindness, not knowing which way it goes.
Look at that.
That's good for at least like 200 views. Coolant on my floor.
She's pissing. There you go. Disgusting.
Shut up.
My engine exploded. Now, is there anything we should do to this thing before we put it in?
Put the transmission mount on the frame.
Yeah, that'd be good. Probably be a smart idea. New transmission mount bolts. New transmission mount. Because the other one was... This thing's demolished. Much better. Old, new. Not too bad. Might have some paint in the threads or something, but yeah, it goes in. I don't think it matters what side goes on. I can't see the transmission to know if it matters which side the mount goes. I don't think it matters.
everything's symmetrical.
Yeah.
Where's this mount to? What the hell?
Go down?
To here?
Yeah. Is that it?
Oh.
Oh, no, we have a plate that we attached to the end of it. That's right.
Well, where is that? Oh, okay. It still has half the old mount on it.
Yeah, we gotta take that out.
Here, come here and take a look at this. Point out, part of the bolt head and the mount had been worn away because this was ripped off for so long. It was just wiggling around, and something had just worn away at it.
Short. That looks a lot better. There was metal under there. Nice.